Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Are you someone who is a student or a fresher who wants to know how to start learning programs or planning to become a software developer but do not know how to start? Then this video might give you some idea, so please watch till the end and please do subscribe our channel. In this video session, I'll share my experience about how I started learning to program. Alright, without any further delay, let's get into the business right away. First of all, what is a programming? Programming means asking computer to perform something for you. But computer is a machine. It cannot understand what you want to perform. So in order to make computer understand what we would like it to do, there are some codes. Codes are some simple sentences which computer can understand. So all you need to know is to express whatever you need to do in the form of these codes. Like human languages, every programming language has its own ways of expressing. In simple terms, they have different grammar and vocabularies. So in computer terms, we call it as semantics and keywords. I believe now you would have got some knowledge about what is programming. If yes, please do leave in the comment section. To start, we'll have to choose a programming language and a platform. How to choose them? Well, some of you would have already heard about platforms like .NET, Java, and JavaScript, PHP, HTML, Python, etc. Alright, if you have already selected a platform or or if you looking for selecting a platform, I would suggest you to select or pick .NET platform with C# language because it would be easier to learn and you would have more opportunities in the software market. It does not mean that other platforms doesn't have good opportunities in the software market, but this is just my opinion and this is just my opinion from my experience. All right, now let's say you have selected a platform with the programming language that is .NET with language C Sharp. Uh, to go ahead with this, I would suggest you to start learning from console application, creating console application, because that's where I've started learning C Sharp and the .NET frameworks. If you would like me to share my knowledge from creating console application, by providing basics of C Sharp language, how to create application, how to run it, etc. Please do comment in the comment section. In my experience, the better way to become a good software developer is try to write code for whatever you would like to achieve. It doesn't mean whether if you are a fresher or a student. The moment you think to write, you'll research something to achieve it. When you write code, you'll make mistakes, you'll get errors, and once you get errors, you'll try to rectify it. You'll do some research in order to resolve those errors. And please keep in mind that the number of errors you resolve or fix, the more knowledge you will get about programming and writing codes. And trust me, eventually you'll achieve what you want to write in the program or what you want to achieve in your web application or any sort of application you write. If you guys wish to leave any questions, please do leave them in the comment section. I'll answer them based on my experience. Thanks for watching and have a good one ahead.